Hey all, StJudeRnr here. I'm not going to do a review this time, but I am going to do an unboxing of my new laptop that I am using to edit my videos, as well as play some games. So without further ado, this is the ASUS Zephryus. It is model number GX501B, and I'm going to do an unboxing here. So this is what the box comes like. This is actually how it's shipped. So there are the barcodes on it for my serial numbers, and then the rest has my other stuff. So it's nice. It has a plastic ASUS handle here. There's some ASUS tape there to keep it sealed closed. And I'm going to see if I can't lean this down to get a better view. The Intel inside, obviously, and opening up the box, there it is. Another box in there. There's nothing else inside that box, and it has some foam cushions on the corner. There's also a foam along that back side inside, but let me open this up. So I don't have anything fancy. The pocket knives are all missing, so a screwdriver will have to do. And sorry about the motorcycle in the background. Alright, and on this box, it has the ASUS Republic of Gamers on there, and then on the end it has a foil ASUS on there, and then around the outside you can see it kind of has that red foil color to it. Da, 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 da. That's the laptop there. So within this box you've got the laptop, so shiny, very light. Set that there. And then inside this little side pouch here, you have a networked USB. You have a Phillips head screwdriver for undoing the bottom and taking that off. It is branded with the ASUS logo on there, better that way, and it does have a little hole in the handle, I guess, so that you can put it on a strap or something on a backpack. And that's it for this. Oh, and then the power cord end is in the bottom of that. Then close that up. Another more on this side. So lifting up this tray that the laptop was sitting in, it just has a hole in it, and then places for the feet. Nothing on that. And in here are the warranty card, information sheet. This has the output table of the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, and then these are all just stickers. Okay, stickers. Those will all go in this little envelope here that has the logo on it as well. And then, let's see, is there anything in this part? That part's empty. I think outside of the United States that includes a mouse there for gaming, but it doesn't in the United States. And then in here, at the bottom, is the power brick. And it looks like that. And like that. Sorry about the glare. Not a lot I can do about it. It has power cord there. And then back along the back side, there is a rubber wrist rest. Probably seen these in all the other ones. It's just a rubber wrist rest. And there's nothing else under that. So that is the unboxing of my new ASUS laptop. Put some of this stuff back in there. And I'm going to get it loaded up with some programs and get it started up. Very nice packaging. It is very well appointed. I'm going to put this network adapter back in here for whenever I will need it. I'm also going to put the screwdriver back in here as well. Thanks for joining me for this quick unboxing. I have been saving up for this so that I would have something better than what I've been using, which was a very used laptop that is not very good at doing graphic design at all, or video production at all. So that's what I have been using, but not anymore. I'll be able to get things done a heck of a lot faster with this one. Sorry, struggling. But thanks for joining me for this unboxing, and I will look forward to sharing another video with you soon. Thanks very much. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.